Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we have the spring Alltrue box. Do you know about Alltrue? Alltrue's had some rough spots, but they've also had some good spots. And it's very controversial on whether or not to have this box. And I did resubscribe for a year, and it was like for $130 or something. It was really low, probably because they were trying to get customers back. And this is the spring 2023 Alltrue, and we're going to open it up and see what we got. Have you ever subscribed to Alltrue? I will tell you, they have gone up on their prices here recently, it seems like. Now the quarterly is $69.95 a quarter, and on this one you receive up to $250 value. You get 6 to 8 full-size items, beautifully made. It says exclusive access to over 70% off on hundreds of products, and you get exclusive access to discounted daily use household items. And it renews each quarter. And then they have an annual plan that's $64.95 a quarter, but you pay it all at once annually, and it's $259.80. So that is the info that you'd probably need to know if you're interested in Alltrue. And we're going to go through this box and we'll see if it's something you're interested in. I don't remember what I customized. I will say sometimes, they send us the customization so early we don't remember what we chose. This is the inside of our pretty box. I will say that they have great packaging, and on top here is our Alltrue magazine, and it should go through everything that we're going to have, but everybody's been changing up their books and their product cards, so I'm not quite sure what we'll see in here. But yeah, I think they're still going to show us our choices, and I really like that. That part is really good. And I will say to me they had a bunch of new choices this month. And this is choice number 1. As you can see, there were 5 items. And we could have gotten a Sembla, a crinkle cotton throw that had a $78 value, a Smart Traveler travel tumbler, a $43 value, a small flex bin with 2, a set of 2 for a $44 value, a convertible backpack that had the Lod label and a $98 value, and a Keep It Fresh storage set that was a $75 value. And let's see what I chose, and that was custom number 1. I think I do remember what I chose. And this was not it. So right off the bat, we don't have what I chose, but we'll just show what I did get. I got the crinkle cotton throw, and it's a $78 value. And I will tell you what I did pick was the convertible backpack, but it is not in my box, so we're not going to be looking at that today. But this is the crinkle cotton throw, and if it's anything like their other cotton throws, I'm going to say, let's see, the size says 60 by 72. It'll probably be 30 by, I don't know, 30. It'll probably be down to 30 by 35 by the time you wash it. I've noticed with some of their cotton that it shrinks. It says here our crinkle cotton throw was hand woven and finished in India by skilled artisans, usually 3 soft layers of cotton gauze. The result is a beautiful textured lightweight textile. This throw works effortlessly on a bedspread or draped over the sofa. And it's made in India, and it's 100% triple cotton gauze. And I am glad that it's made by local artisans, and it's in India. And I'm just going to cut this off so we can get a better look at it. It is soft, I will tell you that. And the fact that it's cotton, even though it might shrink a little bit, it's going to be a really nice throw, and it won't be, like hot for summer. And again, this is the spring box, just so that you know. We're just now getting the spring box, and I know FabFitFun's already had their summer out, but we're just now getting some of our spring boxes. But that is it, and I do like the color, and I do use blue, so I'm not real upset about it. I didn't, the backpack, I've got plenty of them, so that'll be okay with me. But I just don't think it's what I ordered. Okay, our next customization, it looks like we had 4 choices, and we could have gotten the striped apron of a $35 value, an electric salt and pepper set for $19 value, a petite flex bin, a set of 3 for a $24 value, or a chevron chopping block with a value of $65. And I'm pretty certain that I picked the salt and pepper, the electric salt and pepper. And again, this is in blue, so it kind of goes with my kitchen. I think it's in blue. We're going to find out here. But I know Laura had gotten a set of salt and pepper shakers, grinders, and she really liked it. So I thought I would try them out too. And I do like that they're blue. Like I said, it'll match my kitchen well. And it does take 3 AAA batteries, just so you know. And I'll put that back on there. And then on this end, there's a button here where you press down, and then this would grind up your salt or pepper. And it says salt and pepper on both, so you'd be able to use that either way. It says here, add a fresh grind of pepper or salt to any dish with just one push of a button. This is a stylish salt and pepper pair. Will help you say no to disposable pepper mills and salt shakers, and hello to beauty and freshness of bulk spices. So I mean, that's probably a good idea, and I like that idea. That's one reason I got it, plus the fact that I knew Laura had tried it before and liked it. And then our next customization was choice number 3, and it looks like we had 6 to choose from, and there's our choices. I'm not sure which one I picked. Okay, I picked the tray, and it's by Taliana, and it had a $75 value. And let's take a look at this and see what it looks like for a $75 value. Ooh, it's very pretty. It looks like it's trimmed in gold or brass, but I'm not sure that it is. And then it's got the name of it on the back. It's a very pretty dish. It says a ceramic and 24 karat gold catch-all. Has a $75 value. So it is gold. And it says it is inspired by the delicate yet surprisingly strong giant lily pad found in the Amazons. Use it to elevate the home office, spice up the bedside table, or display jewelry. So it's very nice. And the other options that we could have had was the Dojo cup for $19 value, kitchen towels for a $68 value, a marble geo coasters. They were a $42 value. I already had those, so that's a repeat. And so is the Dojo. As far as that goes, you could have got a renewing night serum for $34, or on the go cutlery set for $25. So, and we know I got this beautiful tray, and I will have to say it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that shine on that. Just very, very pretty. Happy with that choice. That was a good choice. Sometimes it's hard to choose, but that one just seemed like the right one for me. Now, our next item is category number 4, and we could have got these 4, and I don't remember what I got. Oh yes, now I do. I picked choice number 1, which is a stainless steel food container, and it has a value of $20. I figured I could use that in my home. They also had the Eco Silicone Seal Bags for $15, the Celestial Mix and Match Rings for $68. They had the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and this was like a type of lotion, by Works for $40 value, and they had Sweet Sliders for $20 value. I'm not quite sure what the sliders has something to do with exercise from squats to push-ups, so I guess I'm not sure how you'd use those, but I did pick this one right here. So let's take a look at that. And it is right here, and it does have the name on there. And it is stainless steel, and it is a container to hold things. So, you know, getting away from plastic and using stainless steel. I could have got this in category number 1 with the other bowls that they had, but I didn't really want those. But I thought the stainless steel was pretty cool. So let's see if I can get the lid off. Yeah, that's very nice. So you can store stuff in this, and probably hot or cold, I would say. But it is a food container, and it's made of steel. So you just clasp it back down on there, and it's all airtight and sealed. So very different, and I like that. It says it's by Small Hours. Stainless steel food container, sustainably beautiful, high quality homewares is what they have. And my next customization will be number 5. So choice number 5, we had these options, and those were the Swatch Stretch and Exercise Band for a $24.95 value. We had the Nomad palette, Sandbar Beauty for $26 value, Glow Tonic, and that was the Pixie Glow Tonic for $15, and I know many of y'all like that. And On The Go Straws, Small Hours, $15 value, and I picked the Nomad palette, and that is right here, the Sandbar. There we go. Maybe there's not a glare on that. The Sandbar, you can see the name on there. It's very pretty packaging. Oh, and it's a very pretty palette. Look at that. I like those colors. It looks like they're all shimmers. So we'll be shining away when we try this out. Yeah, I like all the colors actually, but I really like the little purpley colors and the pink with the white, and of course the dark in my corners, because I always do that. So this is a perfect palette for me. I'm gonna put the saver back on there, but very nice. I like that. It's small too, so it'll be easy to travel with, and that's great for when you go on little trips. Let's see what it had to say about it. It says this versatile eyeshadow palette features bold wine and brown hues inspired by nature with matte shimmer and satin shades. Sandbar creates high-quality, cruelty-free products that let you experiment and explore your own look. So very good. Now choice number 6 was right here. And out of choice number 6, we could have got a vegan facial dry brush for an $18 value, a Sleep On It aloe infused socks for a $22 value, reusable facial rounds for a $10 value, detox facial steam for a $22 value, or we could have got a calm kit, and it was Kukio Samatology for a $68 value, and that is what I chose. It is a calming. It says it's made with peppermint and sage essential oils. Use Mediterranean mist to spritz your pillow before bed, and the cooling spot therapy when you're feeling a little tense. The peppermint and the green tea will provide an instant release. And I like peppermint scent, and I like peppermint in general, and the fact that it has green tea, I thought that was good too. It's Rituals Calm Restore, and like I said, it's a calm kit, just like it says. So let's see what it smells like. Here's our spritz. It says Yoga Pause, and it's Kukio or Cusio, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I'm just gonna spray that. Smells good. A very relaxing smell. Yeah, I like that. And then of course it's gonna have a cooling spot therapy, so I guess you could actually apply this. It says it's a temple rub for clarity and peace. So I'm just gonna put some on my fingers here if I can get it to pump out. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, wow, that is kind of a calming. Put some up here where it says on your temples. You just rub it in. Oh, that's very calming scent. Oh, I like that. Well, I'm glad I chose that. I wasn't sure what to get in that category, but I'm glad I got that. So I'm pleased with my box, and I didn't get any repeats, and to me they're starting to have new things, and so that's good. I like that. And overall, to me it's a good purchase. I think I got my money's worth because, of course, I only had to pay about, $30 a box for mine because I went on the deal when they first came back to business, and so they were offering really special deals. So that's how I got that. But as a recap, we got the Cusio Somatology, and this is the Calm Kit, and I can feel that peppermint being very, peppermint's got that cooling effect. I can feel that up there. That's really cool. I got the Sandbar palette. That is a wine palette with brown tones, which I'm gonna love. Be a great palette. And I got the beautiful Taliana dish, which is just gorgeous. I got the salt and pepper grinder, so I have one for each, salt and pepper, and I do have some of that sea salt that's in the big pieces that you have to grind up, so it'll go grind up right away. And then I have the stainless steel storage, which is wonderful. And I got this blanket. So like I said, I'm not sure about this. I don't know if they ran out of the backpacks and just had to substitute this for me, or maybe I made an accident, but I don't think so. I mean, I usually know what I'm picking. But it's cotton. It's not going to be hot. It'll be breathable. So that is still a good item. I'll have my total up there so you can know what my overall value was. Again, my box, it normally would be like $64.95 because it has recently gone up from $59.99, and I got mine for around $35. So I feel like I got an excellent buy because even this little pan or this palette would be around that much money. Yeah, I definitely got my money's worth. I like it. So hey guys, that's all I have for Alltrue today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways or anything that's currently going on, and let me know what's your favorite item out of everything that I got. I'm gonna have to say my favorite item is gonna be the eyeshadow palette and this beautiful 24 karat gold lily dish. So, and you can see around the edges where it's got the gold. It is beautiful. It really is very, very pretty. So I like those two. I like it all, but those two are my favorites. And as for Alltrue, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.